Hello everyone, I'm back again with another very interesting topic, personal grooming for men and women, and something which we don't talk about, and that is shaving. Shaving can be a challenge for both men and women. You might wonder why you don't always get a smooth result. In fact, there could be quite a few common mistakes you could be doing. And these could lead to skin irritation and whatnot. Whether you're shaving for the first time or you are a pro, I have some tips on how to get a smoother and more comfortable shave. Hey girls, I'm talking to you too. If you've ever shaved your bikini line, you may be familiar with some of the common after effects: razor burn, inflamed skin, ingrown hair, and skin irritation. Knowing how to shave your bikini line properly will minimize the occurrence. I'm sure you girls have a very important question to ask. Is it bad to shave your bikini line? First of all, removing hair anywhere on your body is completely your decision. Don't listen to anyone who tells you otherwise, or feel pressurized into shaving, waxing, or using any other hair removal method. If you do choose to shave your bikini line, it certainly has its plus and minus points. The first step before shaving every time is exfoliate. Exfoliating first helps keep the razor from getting overloaded with dead skin cells, which reduces its efficiency. Before you shave, wet your skin and hair to soften it. Never dry shave, never. Dry shaving increases the risk of cuts and irritation. Try shaving near the end of your bath or shower time. Your skin needs a minimum of 10 minutes in the warm water to soften adequately. Don't skip straight to shaving. Go about your routine, shampooing and conditioning your hair first before you pick up your razor. A great time to shave is right after a shower, as your skin will be warm and moist and free of excess oil and dead skin cells that can clog up your razor blade. I must warn you about one thing. If you are using very hot water, be careful, because that will soften your skin so much that there are more chances of nicks and cuts. Once ready, apply a shaving cream or gel. If you have very dry or sensitive skin, look for a shaving cream that says sensitive skin on the label. Always use shaving cream instead of soap. Many men and women think soap and water provide a great lubricant for helping the razor glide along the skin. But it may have an astringent effect, leading to dry, flaky skin after drying. Yes, if you are in a pinch and find yourself without shaving cream, reach out for your conditioner, coconut oil, or even olive oil. Avoid shampoo, which will irritate your skin as you shave, and bar soap, which will clog the blades of your razor. Do not overshave the same spot again and again. It will really cause a lot of irritation. Pay attention to the direction of hair growth. For a closer shave and more effective hair removal, shave against the way the hair grows. This is an important step to help prevent razor bumps and burns. Girls, when it comes to underarm hair, first shave upwards to get the exposed shaft and then reverse direction to get the root. Close your pores. The warm water of the shower or bath opens skin pores. Rinse with cold water to close the pores. You may want to apply a hydrating moisturizer immediately after drying off to prevent flakiness and drying. And hey, stop being rough with your razor. Using too much pressure can leave you with uncomfortable cuts and nicks. Shaving requires a light touch. Focus on moving your razor in careful, short, smooth, and even strokes. Take your time. Going slow can help make shaving a more pleasant experience. After each careful stroke, rinse off your blade to help ensure it doesn't become dull while you are using it. And girls, here is a special instruction for you. If you have just shaved your bikini line, avoid wearing very tight clothing immediately, because the tight clothing will rub the skin and will cause a lot of irritation. Calm your skin after shaving the bikini area and hold a cold compress to the area for 10 minutes to prevent irritation. Apply an unscented alcohol-free moisturizer to both sides of bikini line to lock in the moisturizer. Check for dull blades and the lubrication strips. If they look faded or worn, or if the blades feel dull while shaving, it may be time for a new cartridge. Rinse after each swipe of the razor. In addition, make sure you change your blade or throw away disposable razors after 5 to 7 shaves to minimize the irritation. Tapping your razor against the sink while cleaning can seriously damage the precisely engineered parts of your razor. Store your razor in a dry area. Between shaves, make sure your razor dries completely to prevent bacteria from growing on it. Do not leave your razor in the shower or on a wet sink. Replace razors regularly. If you notice an accumulation of gunk or waste on your razor, don't try to clean it out with a brush or other tool. If the waste doesn't rinse out easily with a stream of water, this is the first sign that you need to replace your razor. Even if it still cuts well, a razor with impacted waste can introduce bacteria into open pores or cuts and cause an infection. Keep a few new ones stocked in your bathroom so that you're always ready to go. Men who have acne should take special care while shaving. Shaving can irritate your skin, making acne worse. If you have acne on your face, try experimenting with electric or disposable blade razors to see which works best for you. And yes, if you can manage to get a transparent gel where you can see whether you are actually touching your acne with the razor, would also help a lot. Ignore myths about thicker hair regrowth due to shaving. This simply isn't true. Hair may appear thicker when growing back after the shave, but it's just an illusion. New growth of about an inch per month is normal. Hair growth rate and volume is controlled from inside your body and has nothing to do with the external act of shaving. Protect your skin from the sun. Use sunscreen at all times, not just when lounging at the pool or beach. After shaving, your skin becomes more sensitive and the sun-damaging rays can cause more damage. Also remember, if you shaved, don't jump into the swimming pool immediately. The chlorine may make your face look little green. Shaving might not be the right move for everyone's skin. If you still prefer to be smooth, waxing either by a professional or with an at-home wax kit is a safe and gentle choice for your skin, because it removes the hair from the root and doesn't allow bacteria to enter as easily. When the hair grows back, the tips are soft, not sharp, and so it's less likely to cause ingrown hair. It also takes longer for hair to grow back than shaving does. For an even longer term option for sensitive skin, laser hair removal might be for you to avoid the need to shave altogether. Happy grooming to all of you till I meet again. Till I meet again, bye from Rita Gangwani.